typical rat rod. I've seen some that are very neat. Others, I'd be afraid to drive. Well, this park is so big, they could probably handle 3 or 4 times what they have here. I've only covered a partial of it. I mean, what's here. Most of the cars are very nice. And you have your segment of rat rods, which are cool. Some of them are pretty radical.
Well, I don't envision Meg drive my car. No, she wouldn't. Well, I like the jerk. Good to see it.
That's my brother. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, I've driven in Germany. That's different. Yeah. Jeep, yeah. Really chop that thing.
See, I was hoping they was going to put the Cadillacs together. I wanted to be over by the Cadillac people.
Yeah.
I kind of like the orphan cars. I like early stuff, 30s, 40s, 50s. This old Plymouth here is pretty ugly, but it's nice. I wouldn't turn it down. Here's a 38 Chev. I'm partial to because I had one. It was very nice. I've yet to see it since I sold it. I don't think it's in this part of the country anymore. This is a very nice 2-door sedan. They did real well with the dashboard.
About a year later, steel work on the interior. The whole bed was gone. The floors were gone. They had a little 200 straight 60.
Looks like it still has the original grill. It's not a repop.
Still gets 25 miles. Really? Yeah.
This looks like about I'll cheat here. A 36 Chev. You don't see many of those around. Against a 40 Ford, which is very nice and has chameleon type paint that changes tone.
Looks like gas or some boiled over. Looks like something is boiled over an 8-inch. 39
Chev, which is one of my favorites. Well done, very well done. We're talking low here. Looks like a 39 Pontiac. Maybe a 40. Let me look here. Up 39, I was right. But they've got that on the ground, most likely on air suspension. But you don't see many of those around, especially convertible. They've integrated a late model dash instrument panel. It looks like a 39 Oldsmobile, chop top, 4-door. That's a little bit difficult to do. The workmanship looks really good. It's hard to chop 4 doors. Just too many 2 doors. Original cast grill in it. Looks very nice. There's a 40 Ford. Still got a flat head in it. Ford Stromberg 97s. As you can see, the yellow drip brings out all the bugs. They think it's a flower. This is very nice. Another 38 Chev. Like mine, this is a coupe. Small block Chevy. Double pumper carburetor. This is well done too. Interior is very nice. Bucket seats. Has a tachometer integrated right there in the center, angled towards the driver. This is nicely done too. The graphics are particularly good, very subtle. Looks like they Frenched in the back fenders.
That's the music. That's where you can dance.
You did it?
Here's a replica Willys. Very well done. Looks like a Mini Cooper headlights in it. A lift off top.
41 and 41.
Has a nice profile. Color has always been my thing. And this 36 Ford here in pastels. They're a little out of date now, but they still look nice. Everybody goes for a flat black or reds or blacks or whatever, but pastels are pretty. Make the car stand out. We're talking rare car here. It's a Lincoln. Vintage probably 38, 39, 38. But look at the long flowing lines. Gorgeous car. Still has original dash. All wood tone. Oh, has a Viper V10. Well, it definitely had a long enough nose for it. Here's another Lincoln. Here's another Lincoln. This is probably like 41, maybe 48. I'm not sure. It's been chopped, kind of awkward, but still an interesting car. The 37 Chev here has a flat yellow, canary yellow paint on it. Makes it very outstanding. Not sure about the upkeep of the paint, but like all yellows, it draws bugs. Still a very nice car. '38 or '39 Buick, I'm not sure, but another oddball. It's got side mounts. Look at those Art Deco door handles. Well, it looks like it's a 38. Very nice car. I said I like orphan cars. Well, here's a little Nash Rambler convertible. Bright orange. Blue wheels. Tops down. Very well done.
Go all the way down there and make a flip up and I love that bicycle.
Now here's a kind of a rare car. 53 Oldsmobile 88 two-door sedan. I don't believe I've ever seen a two-door sedan. I've seen hardtops, four-door sedans, convertibles. He looks fairly original. They painted the upper chrome bar on the grill. Other than the paint, it looks very original. And chrome reversed wheels. Nice 32, 50 style. Got Corvette hubcaps. Mexican blanket upholstery. It's a very nice car too.
I just talked to your husband. I told him to keep track of the cars that sold. He wasn't even there yet. This is my sister, Debbie. This is Katrina. This is Gilry's wife. She was rooting for Dale in the races last night. Yeah, he's well.
And that's how they rarely do.
Yeah, when he's dropping off the car.
No, he didn't.
See, we missed a lot because
I'm not doing that ever again. That is so
Sat in that car for like
intense.
40 minutes. It's like 5 or 8.
Yeah,
They
because
told us to go down.
so we get in and then we sat there for a while. They had it in the tail end. Instead of opening it, they made us sit there.
We're gonna want this painted. I like to take this one for a quick little spin.
Now you still have your bike, right?
Yeah.
And what hot rod are you building now?
Nothing.
'56 Ford. Hard top. That's a very nice car. You know I say very nice a lot, but it's these cars I'd love to have one again. 37 Chev. A Jaguar, which is unusual. Been redone. Dashboard different. Running a small block Chevy.
Doesn't look like a Jag 6.
Nope. That's probably the only way to go. Get reliability. The 6-owner was great, but very expensive to fix. And this, they make a conversion for these things, which makes them a very drivable car. I believe this is a 3.8, original 3.8 6-cylinder. 64 Chevelle Super Sport. I had one for 21 years. Mine was all white, white on white, with red accent. It's a nice car, but they rushed out the floorboards and the trunk. They're chronic rear window leakers. This one is very nice. Still has all the original chrome. Mine was a 4-speed, positive traction, had the factory tack in the dash, bumper guards, oops, excuse me.